Now, the third game is catching the egg. Another invention by Pastor Rodney. Okay.
So,
The egg.
batog. And then, DJ, once nga, pagtal na akan di.
Yung hindi mabasag, manalo.
Kung na, ag sinipawan nyo.
Pag nabasag.
No na ikatson, yura yu jay panagoy bagak si gota, agpadayo kayo manon. Okay. So, go! Aguray, maminsan pa lang ang amin. Aguray,
I think they should be, they should be far. Oh, it should be, it should be farther apart.
Go! Okay, agad dyan.
See, the distance is getting longer. The distance is adjusted now.
Go!
It's now about 12 feet apart. Oh, go. Then, farther. Farther now, farther. See to it that your egg is not broken. Because if you have broken egg, that's it's the end of you. It's now about 16 feet. It's now about 20 feet. It's now about 18 feet. 18 feet distance. Catching egg. 18 feet. There goes the egg. It's broken. So that's now to be called the broken egg, which is to be salvaged for tonight's supper. So you have two contestants left. Two teams left.
Go!
There goes the egg. There goes the egg. Okay. It's now 24 feet. Good catch. Good catch. Farther. It's now 25 feet.
Go!
Good catch, but it broke in his hand. It broke in his hand. But okay, the winner. Because this guy wins because he's a pelota. He's a pelota player.